For cream gravy, you're gonna need chopped raw bacon, pork sausage, breakfast sausage, diced onion, a half stick of butter, all-purpose flour, whole milk, ground sage, kosher salt, and black pepper. For a full list of ingredients and measurements, check the description below. Over a medium flame, I'm going to add my raw bacon and my raw sausage. And I'm actually gonna just kind of tear at this because it's easier to do this now than after it's already in the pot and it wants to form into a giant meatball. We don't want a giant meatball, we just want loose pieces of sausage. So I'm just gonna crumble now. So I'm gonna stir this around just a little. And what we're gonna do with this is we're gonna render all that fat out, and we're actually gonna cook this until it's completely cooked through and a little crispy. Okay, now that my pork products have completely cooked, I've added my butter to the pot. I'm gonna add my small diced onion. We're gonna cook the onion and the butter in here just until the onions are a little soft, about 3-4 minutes. I'm also at this point gonna add my my dried sage, because I like to add my dried herbs in with the oil in the beginning when I'm cooking. Kind of helps the flavors bloom out better. Now that my onions are a little soft, I'm gonna add my all-purpose flour. I'm actually gonna cook the flour into the fat just for really just a minute, making like a quick white roux. And then to that, I'm gonna add 3 cups of whole milk. And I'm gonna use a whisk. I'm gonna whisk this together, and what'll happen is the milk will come to a boil and it will become thickened with the flour, and then we're gonna have this really yummy, porky, creamy gravy. So we're just gonna wait for that to come up to a simmer. Keep an eye on it. You don't want your flame too hot because you don't want to scorch the bottom. Okay, so this has thickened up really nicely. This is a great consistency. Salt, pepper. Don't forget the measurements are in the description. And I'm just gonna whisk this together, turn that off. Wow, I love this gravy. I love you, gravy. Oh, so porky. Yummy! So I got my cream biscuits and I got my cream gravy that I just made. Oh my God, you are beautiful. I'm gonna ladle some of this over it and then I'm gonna have a taste.